Okay, this says that we are recording to the cloud. Let me see if I can get the microphone a little bit closer here. Like that, maybe. Oh, that's going to interfere with that. All right, never mind. We'll do it this way then. Except that's the wrong mic. That's the mic to the laptop. This is the mic to this computer. All right. What we're going to have here is, now I have already opened, so you don't have to watch the cutting and everything, but I have opened this and I have taken it out of its shipping box. And what it is it is the new Acer CX5, otherwise known as the C536. So what we're going to do is we're going to put it down right here, like this. This is a front in search of the incredible, and it is incredible. The one thing is it's a bit heavier than I expected, but anyway, as you can see, we are now opening the box. Okay, and we are removing the Chromebook. Now, once you get the Chromebook out, you have your initial paperwork and everything. We're not going to go into that, but I just wanted you to see the machine itself. So we're going to sit it right here. We're going to take it out of the box. Boom, 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 boom. Turn it around so that we can open it. Now, a lot of people in reviews have said that they don't necessarily care for the white cover and everything. And if you're out and about with this thing, I could understand that. But basically, this is going to be set up and use an external monitor on it with a wireless keyboard and mouse, and probably be over here back behind me somewhere. So I'll rarely be using it as anything, but there in all of its glory is the Acer C5. It's got a nice big 15.5-inch screen. All my other Chromebooks, except for the other Acer 516, which my sister has been using for the last 2 years out in the living room. All mine have had 14-inch screens, and that's not bothered me because, like I say, these only sit on my desk because I get out so little, especially since the pandemic, say not at all unless I go out to the back patio. They basically just sit here on my desk, and I've got 2 large monitors that I can use. Now, I don't use dual monitors on any of my computer setups. Each one of my Chromebooks or my Windows machines, for that matter, I attach them to an external monitor because I can see a bigger screen, and with that bigger screen, it helps because of my vision and everything. So that's that, and I'm not going to turn it on because I will be joining the mobile generation. I don't really need a phone that much, but I'm now involved in a project I haven't needed a phone up to now. I'm now involved in a project that absolutely requires that I have one. So, and apparently it doesn't matter which one. So I went over on Consumer Cellular and found me the cheapest phone, which was a ZTE Avid 579. It was $60. And I got the cheapest data plan, which was 500 megabytes per month, because I'm always here at the desk and I'll be using Wi-Fi. So, and like I say, the phone is only going to be for certain things that are required. Do not feel insulted if I do not give you my phone number, because like I say, I bought this for the phone for a specific research purpose that I'm required to have. So I won't be using it much for social stuff, if at all. If I feel like I really have to talk to somebody on the phone, the people that I really usually would have to do that are either already in Hangouts Meet, Chat, or the old Hangouts that's still going, or they have Duo. So I've got 4 different ways that I can actually, converse with people. So I'm not worried about that. But like I say, if I don't offer to give you my number, do not feel insulted, because basically it's just for this project that I'm involved with that'll go on for the next 6 months or so. After that, who knows? But anyway, this is, as you can see, the ASUS CX5. It's a lovely machine. I finally have a keypad to work with, because like Michael, I do some spreadsheet work, not as much as he does, but enough. So that is the my first and far from professional unboxing of the ASUS CX5, also known as the ASUS 536. Thank you for watching, and I will now stop the recording.